If you need to change your bank account information on Vizio WatchFree, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Access the Vizio Smart TV menu. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV and press the V button on your remote to open the main menu. Navigate to the settings option using the arrow keys. Step 2. Select account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose payment information. Within the account settings, look for the payment information or billing section. Click on this to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Select the option to edit or change your bank account information. Enter your new bank account details as prompted, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account information, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click this to save your changes and exit the menu. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information on Vizio WatchFree will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vizio customer support for assistance.